अभी तो इसका वो बढ़ा दे, मुझे दिखता नहीं है इतने दूर से फॉन्ट.
This was Sagrika Kissu for The Print with her video journalist and colleague Mohammad
मेरी शक्ल क्या देखने लायक है यार, क्या
शेख मुजिबर रहमान.
शेख मुजिबर रहमान.
Repeat. Sorry.
प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ है?
एसी बंद कर दो तो प्लीज.
The RSS, as I am given to understand, फिगर कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया. Let me say it again. बाल ठीक है? मैं केरला से हूँ.
भगवान. Hello and welcome to The Print. I'm Triya Gulati and you're watching Off Script, our entertainment wrap of the day. Ranveer Singh has issued an apology after his comment on Kantara drew
Go. Hello, this is now
a statement.
With flight 6E460 of Indigo, which will land with flight 6E460 of Indigo, which will land Navi Mumbai Airport. The international flights are expected to begin from March 2025. Shit.
It is sung by Noor Mohammed and Hiramandi fame Shikha Joshi with mesmerizing sitar It is sung by Noor Mohammed and Hiramandi fame Shikha Joshi with sitar by maestro.
So, how do you think is going to change Manipur? I'm so sorry.
एसी बंद कर दो तो प्लीज. Hello and welcome back to World 360. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
शेख मुजिबर रहमान.
And which later helped Rahman's father Ziaur Rahman rise to power.
मुजीबुर, sorry.
That killed Hasina's father, Sheikh Mujibur, even at 20. तेरी हंसी सोच के हंसी आती है मुझे.
Not really a natural video person, so tend to make lots of boo-boos.
Oh God, this is embarrassing if you start looking around me. Please look at your left. Earlier this month, at the commission's दोबारा कर लेते हैं. मैंने ना एक बार आपने ऐसे हाथ किया, मुझे लगा कह रहे हो पॉज करना है, मैंने आपको देख लिया. Asking the lawyers to help the poll body which regulates the legal profession, Siddharamaiah will complete
From a stake in Pakistan International Airlines to $1 billion deal, the Navy's Bharia Town. बाल ठीक है? 28 हो गया. अरे मैं तो 20 सोच रहा हूँ. चलो ठीक है.
क्या करना है?
हाँ नहीं, एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. मैं केरला से हूँ. Students going to rest of India. Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Snesh Alex Philip. I, along with my video editor.
A ticket to foreign travel, stable jobs, and upward mobility. Sorry, can we do that again? I messed up.
This was because the act does not. I'll do it for you. The same problem. Reading from my own mind.
I'm Udit Bubna and today I will discuss Indian households evolving ownership to 68.8. Rural food expenditure dropped from 50. These changes represent a shifting priorities and aspirations.
Aviation Minister says safety is non-negotiable.
प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ है?
मेरा फोल्डर
तेरा फोल्डर में एक ही प्रोजेक्ट है.
कोई शूट के बीच में सूझा है.
निशा का फोल्डर खोलो कल का.
With Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating the
51.38 सही बोला था. कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं अपने ऊपर.
ये डिलीट कर दीजिए.
नहीं.
नहीं, ये डिलीट कर दीजिए.
नहीं.
नहीं, पता नहीं तोतली क्यों हो गई यार मैं.
arguing they violate diplomatic This latest tale is questioning when the matter reached the Supreme Court. This brought back the murmurs that on Wednesday, Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Dr. ये हटा देना, and pointed out how producer trade analyst Taran Adarsh shared trade analyst
in the state that produces some of India's
पावरलूम के खड़खड़ाहट पर चलती है मोहम्मद रफी, शबीर कुमार और केके के गानों की बीट्स। मालेगांव के लूम ऑपरेटर्स इन बीट्स पर बनाते हैं हार्ट टचिंग इंस्टाग्राम रील्स।
टेस्ट हेलो 1 2 3 माइक टेस्ट।
मुझे ना कीप गिविंग मी क्यूज ऑफ 10 मिनट्स और 20 मिनट्स में दे देना प्लीज। 28 हो गए।
If I make boo-boos, we'll do it again, okay? A line, which is a very unoriginal line. Oh, what am I saying? I meant to say it's an original line.
पास में रहते हो?
नहीं, मैं काफी दूर रहता हूँ।
कहाँ रहते हो?
सैयारा मोहित सूरी की मूवी है, तो मेरी एक्स ने मुझे चीट कर दिया था।
हे भगवान। And this has survived. This is continuing to survive. बहुत तेज आवाज आई ना।
काफी घरुआ खाना आज बनी है आलू शिमला मिर्च की सब्जी, कल बनी थी आलू गोभी की सब्जी।
The Supreme Court Supreme Court of India the Supreme Court noticed allegations of BLOs being threatened during the SIR work in West Bengal and other states. Asked the EC.
You always look at it. Sorry, we always look at it as in 2017 the country's top judge, Chief Justice Zhou Zhang. No, wait. How do you pronounce this? Zhu Qiang. Do you have a mobile?
which are very small particles in the body. Repeat. Although EVs are known to be involved in the repeat. Now this study showed how repeat. Sorry. ऊपर से. Of course, further testing of the vessels from Tutankhamun. Repeat. Of course, further repeat. Or help control robotic devices directly by shit.
ठीक है, आगे पीछे तो नहीं, मैं जा खड़ा हूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ, ये कर लो पहले।
पीछे जाओ। और कितना जाऊं भाई? चिपका देगी क्या? इतने दूर से मुझे दिखता नहीं है। अभी तो इसका वो बढ़ा दे, मुझे दिखता नहीं है इतने दूर से। फॉन्ट। Overactive. Conditions like schizophrenia normally emerge in late adolescence or early childhood. It suggests that at least some cases of mental illnesses driven by this gene could be biologically reversible.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है।
The airport is built across 1160 hectares.
There once stood about 12 villages with over 3,500 families who had to be rehabilitated as part of the project in Maharashtra to follow. It involved making the project affected persons stakeholders in the project by giving them
He argues that changing the surname leads to the loss of families move through the venue carrying a mix of emotions.
Start करें. Resulting in delays in publishing, printer is one of the rather small. Repeat. Due to these delays, proper excavation repeat. Due to this repeat. But the repeat. Nandini Bhattacharya Sahu said, "We have told Nath to submit it, but he has not yet submitted it." एक बार शुरू से करते हैं इसको. Sinoli in Uttar Pradesh and Khiladi. Repeating, starting से.
He also alleged that the shares held by the family owners entity
Hello and welcome to The Print. This is Prabhakar Tamilarasu from The Print's Chennai Bureau. In today's episode, I am going to explain about the long simmering.
मायरा तुम स्माइल कर रही है, मुझे हंसा रही हो.
Can I repeat this one? But I want to look deeper. Sorry, can I repeat this line? Yeah. Sudden capital outflows, volatile. Sorry, can I repeat? Hit less violently when banks are so sorry, yeah. Liquidity can build resilience, but only if it allows through the right. Sorry. Given this uncertainties, sorry, but also the currencies, I'll just repeat this. Year on year, I'll just repeat this line. The rupee had become too expensive. And that's what Indian exports.
नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका द प्रिंट में। मैं हूं नीलम पांडे और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा साप्ताहिक प्रोग्राम पॉलिटिक्स अनफिल्टर्ड विद डीके सिंह, जहां राजनीति से जुड़े सवाल आप हमें भेजते हैं और उनके सवालों के जवाब आपको दिए जाते हैं।
इसके पहले कि नीलम सवालों का सिलसिला शुरू करें, आपसे बस एक अपील करना चाहते हैं। आप जानते हैं पहले भी हम करते रहे हैं कि ऑब्जेक्टिव जर्नलिज्म को आपके सपोर्ट की जरूरत है। उसके बिना ऑब्जेक्टिव जर्नलिज्म करना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है।
आप एक लाइन सोच लीजिए पहले। बंद कर दो यार।
कैसे आपको सबसे पहले पता चला कि उनको इस डिसऑर्डर के साथ डायग्नोज किया जा रहा है, कंजेनिटल?
Though it has over 14,000. एक बार और करते हैं. So what are the 3 island chains? The first island chains are starting from the Kurils, then the mainland China, the Ryukyu Islands, the Taiwan, Philippines, Borneo. ये अरे बाकी टेक्स्ट कहाँ है? Oh my god, sorry. Now these, okay, I'll have to come again. I paraphrased and just got all over the place here.
India is celebrating the win of Women World Cup. India is celebrating the win of Women's World Cup. And today with me is, रुक जा, मैंने आपका नाम ही नहीं पूछा। पूरा नाम संजीव वर्मा।
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है।
Anmol Bishnoi, brother of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi. Anmol Bishnoi, brother of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, wanted in the murder of NCP leader Baba Siddiqui last year, is said to be brought back to India as soon as his deportation process is complete. Sorry, मैंने गलत किया. Sorry. Lord Ram has blessed us. We will handle him. There is no problem as long as it is in my control. I have no. Sorry. An audio clip mentioned in the Mumbai police's charge sheet in the firing case against. Sorry.
5 मिनट के अंदर होनी चाहिए भी।
70 मिनट।
और PMKY नहीं ठीक है। KVY, VY. Between 2015 and 2022, 3 phases of PMKVY has been had. Sorry.
70 मिनट।
Between 2015 and 2022, 3 cases.
जी भर कर खेल लो।
1,194 crore. दोबारा करना पड़ेगा ना? All numbers. Why the hell I get number videos? Wherein the ministry released rupees 10 crore
rupees 10 crore 1,100 underage certificate
अपने 70 मिनट
had over 1,100 underage certificate candidates. Out of nearly 96 lakh candidates, only 61.
Sorry, Anisha, it will take 15 minutes. 2 of its student leaders escalated the anti-India rhetoric. He said, and I quote, ये क्या हो रहा है? ठक ठक ठक. His colleague and NCP convener Mahid Islam, sorry.
Can we scroll up? From publicly, I'm sorry, I have to repeat.
Faced with pressure from the growing, I'll repeat that, sorry.
आप खिलाओगे आज की कुल्फी? आप खिलाओगे आज की कुल्फी?
हाँ जी, आए इसलिए थे। So like warm empty or let people go? यहाँ से जाने से आपने? आपको देख रहा है। मेरी शक्ल क्या देखने लायक है यार, क्या यार वैसे सही बात है, रब बड़ा अकाउंटेंट है, एक हाथ से देता है दूसरे से देता है, अरबपति बना दिया और शक्ल मेंढक की ली।
Hair and all is fine, right? Okay, okay. The court's judgment came on a 2018 case. This doesn't sound right. Okay, okay. बोल देती हूँ, हाँ. The court's judgment came on a 2018 case against the man and was related. Which okay, something is wrong in this sentence, huh? Okay.
Hello 1 2 3 1 2 3 mic check hello 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 mic check 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3
was more of a performance, an iteration making something happen with. Sorry. एक बार ऊपर करना. एक बार ऊपर करना. थोड़ा नीचे. नहीं दावाट कमला से. एक बार ऊपर करना. थोड़ा सा pause. However, as the move थोड़ा तेज या थोड़ा धीरे. एक लाइन और ऊपर कर दो. Need not remind us. माहिरा. एक सेकंड में क्या लिखा है ये? एक से नीचे माहिरा. मैं फिर से करती हूँ. In JNU, questions of politics, political philosophy and theory are quoted in preoccupations.
जिले में शिकायतें, नोटिस और एफआईआर तक उन पर हो रही हैं. थोड़ा ऊपर करो. ठीक आ रहा है?
By now, you must have read about the political slugfest over Lok Sabha. दोबारा बोलता हूँ. Let's look at. As an example, Gandhi pointed to a stock image of a Brazilian model. नहीं है ये हुआ था Friday को. On Saturday on Friday हुआ था, Saturday हुआ था.
Zoran Mamdani capped a meteoric political rise after being elected as the next mayor of New York City. Trump in City Hall, however. In City Hall, done.
Neither the hand nor the lotus would remain. Am I? Okay. Are actually based out of the US. Outside of the US. It's very different, Apurva, sorry. This was Sagrika Kissu for The Print with her colleague and video journalist Hamad. This was Sagrika Kissu for The Print with her video journalist and colleague Mohammad Ham. मेरे को ये भी पढ़ना है कि अभी तू थोड़ा आगे पीछे दिखा सकता है. ये मैं ही करूँ, तू कुछ नहीं करना. बैठ के उधर लिखना है. ओके ब्रेक.
सबसे पहले हम चलते हैं उन फोटोग्राफर्स के पास जो रोज मॉन्यूमेंट्स में शूट करते हैं और ग्राउंड
StreamYard बंद हो गया. It said something went wrong.
कहाँ तक रिकॉर्ड हुआ ये पता चलेगा?
रिकॉर्ड हुआ है.
कैन वी नो कि कहाँ तक हुआ है?
हाँ. Did we disappear?
अब बता रही हो तो मैं थोड़ी लंबी बात बता देता हूँ कि उस समय एक
India, the world's largest rice exporter, is poised to driven by a surge in domestic production, a sharp recovery in shipments, and new efforts to tap undeserved export markets, but have long, according to Gulati.
And that brings us to an end of today's segment.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
That's all for me today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. This is Prabhagar Tamlarse signing from.
For more such stories, please subscribe to our YouTube. I forgot to end it. Sorry.
Thank you for watching. Follow the